There are very few places in the world, like Jamaica, where you can actually go to the water's edge and see the water as calm and still as a glass of water. It is as clear as crystal. If I can give you a little view of the water, pure and clean. But in recent times, there's been a spate of people or companies or whoever it may be that are actually dumping beaches, claiming part of our vital natural resources. You can see this is a beach that has been dumped. Looks like there's something going to be happening. I know people will complain oftentimes that this is happening, but we sometimes don't know exactly what is actually allowing this to happen. We hear, not that I'm able to confirm, but that there's a certain political entity with control that is willing to sell every piece of beachfront land that government owns for private development, and that is taking away from communities' ability to have their regular recreational swimming that they're accustomed to. This is a Sunday morning, and normally you would have on this particular beach, you'd have sometimes 2 or 3 churches doing baptismal activities here. But I'm not sure how they would be actually capable of doing this here. But yeah, but whatever the case is, beaches are part of Jamaica's natural resources, and tourism is a 3.5 billion, almost 4 billion US dollars a year business for Jamaica. And I think we should put, I hate to say we should, as if we're talking to someone specific about that person doing. But I think we have to come to a time when where we develop a method of stopping this private claiming of beachfront lands. Beach activity, beach recreation is a big part of Jamaica's culture. Holiday times, people pack their food and go to the beach, and it's crowded. It's an activity, it's a traditional activity thing, and I think we have to put more effort into protecting that sort of thing. But whether it's for lack of enforcement of laws, or it's actually like the big word on the street is, don't want to ruffle anyone's feather, but say there's a certain politician who's willing to sell every piece of waterfront land he can put his hands on. Whether it's that or just lacks of enforcement of laws, we're going to have to do better, because sooner or later, Jamaica will become like many foreign countries where you have no beach for recreation, no free recreational activities on the beach. It'll be paid beach. I dread that day, if that day should ever come. It will severely disrupt our culture, our no problem Jamaica, no problem culture, Hope there's some changes soon, but let's see. Put a comment in. Let me hear what you're saying. I'm neither towing the line one way or the other. I'm just saying, what I see. I know the speech personally, and hurts my heart, You know, some people will say you're trying to stop their hustle. Um, just so everyone knows, that's not what I'm doing here. Just concern, you know. Just concern. You can see it dumped. This is a beach. Dumped all the way back around. Thanks for watching.